Big up Crosses TV.
Crosby TV went over there.
Yeah,
Crosby
Crosby
TV,
TV
you
was
did
over.
over there. Cause me miss all of that and me not go find nobody else place for watch nothing.
Time will come when people cup is going to fall. And my sister Una cannot. My sister Una cannot. You can't chop it off. Is our child. Me I go stay away and me I go stay in my lane and I go stay by myself because I'm tired of Pebbles come on life. She class my mother, she class my niece. You so far Pebbles go on a Shannon, you know. And a class pum pum and pum pum. I've never tell Pebbles I already yet, you know. Pum pum, I've never disrespect Pebbles, you know. Till me get really bring up on Shannon, you know. Shannon say, Alliyah, I never did have to say it to you because my fix her, me and Shani put her in her place. We put her in her place and tell her so we're not in them something there. If you and Alliyah you know no problem, you and Alliyah you know no problem. Don't call the baby name. So I say, alright. Granted. Me say, okay, granted. Shannon, you put her in her space. Shani put her in her space. Alright, granted. Every blood clot jump on the girl seminar straw word. Una broke. Una nana money. Una tell pay life her money. Granted, come never born rich. Me never call up on blood clot. Pebbles. Me link Pebbles money for keep her dance. The furniture, my Pebbles, if it wasn't for me, Pebbles would not have them in our living room. You see the blood clot bed where Pebbles asleep on. You see the lower bed where Pebbles asleep on. And the little beanie blood clot dresser where you can't put a cup of water upon Pebbles dresser and make the bottom of it sweat because it go swell up so bagas board fuck furniture where Pebbles have in our house. Pebbles, you're living without Pebbles, you know what hurt you? You don't have no kettle in your batch in your kitchen. You don't have no kettle, you don't have no toaster, you don't have no blender, you don't have no juice mixer, you don't have none of them some of the Pebbles in your house, you don't even have 6 plates in your house. And you always want act up and say you're top girl, you want match up with girl. Pebbles, you don't have no utensils in your kitchen. You don't have 6 spoon. The white fridge where you have in the blood clot house down there. I beg you to clean them or rust them out of the fridge. No prank. Pebbles, no blood clot prank. Me, Alliyah, beg you to clean them or rust them out of your fridge. You know I'm not lying. She don't have no utensils, no appliance in her kitchen. Pebbles take 1 blood clot. Must have 1 year and 7 months to buy a microwave for $50. And I went to keep her dance. Either the 23rd of January, she buy the microwave for $50. The 24th of January, and Pebbles live at the house about 2 years had. Granted to blood clot. Pebbles, you go as far and you tell Shannon them say, oh me, say them rob up your dance money. When you tell me no, I'm say bad to bad, I'm a cousin. I now go to Shannon them about it. I say to her, I say, Pebbles, done the argument. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. Done the argument, Pebbles. And that I say to her now, I say, girl, done the argument. You win some and you lose some. I just saw you look on life. You say Shannon rob you. You say Pooch rob you gate, cause your gate make more money, make more money, and your bar make more money. I say Pebbles, me carry down in a Shannon van the morning after the party. You give me the bag of money, you say, cause Shannon robbed me, Pooch robbed me. I say, girl, I don't know what to say. I say, girl, I don't know what to blood clot say. Only if you know, say you go back and tell Shannon them say, me say them rob you. Oh, me know about your gate and your bar. Oh, me, Alliyah, know about your gate and your blood clot bar. You tell Shannon them say me rob. They go tell Shannon say the dress so me will come in a party and you pay for it. I say, what? Joe charge you either $1,000 or $8 for your dress. And pan the blood clot appointed time in my run at Joe you end up ready. I call me if I call Shannon and borrow $300 from blood clot Shannon 1 o'clock the Friday night 1 a.m. till them be the Saturday morning and lend you the blood clot money for finish pay for your dress with Joe. And you go tell Shannon and Pooch say, are you buy my dress? Come on. Pebbles. What kind of blood clot problem you want with me? Pebbles? She said you rob her too. Alright, all for rob blood clot Pebbles. See Shannon say it there. Yes, say Shannon rob you. Yes, say Shannon rob you. Yes, say Pooch rob you. All for rob you. Stinking dirty germs teeth blood clot, gal. You give me mustn't $8,000 or $7,000. My carrot gov when you call me the Saturday evening, you say for saying somebody $300 upon cash up. You say for send you that amount upon cash up. When you send for send that amount upon cash up, I send it. I go to Shannon. I say, Shannon, you know, say if I stand up strong, Pebbles are going the money in the buy furniture put in the living room. Granted. I call the Sunday. I go down to the furniture store. Afford them. The blood clot Monday. Cause she in our gambling table round robin. She make $1,700 in the round robin cause them give her one Friday. I saw either one Wednesday or Thursday them give her. And she make one money. She give me the whole $1,700. She said, cause keep this semi cause I really want to fix up my place now because I feel bad for say every girl I fix up them place and I'm not do the right thing. I say, girl, you have to do the right thing because me and spar. Take the blood clot money, go up at the furniture place up at 225th, across from 225th and 220, across from 227 and 226. One furniture store over pay going up White Plains Road, the furniture store and the pay wait name there. When me go up there, the blood clot Monday, the woman say, I'ma say, see the receipt here. I come for the eating table for Jovan and Tony, Francis. And I come for the something else. The woman say, Jovan didn't tell you that him come for the come back for the money, and all I call police say I move to North Carolina and him want back the money for the furniture them. So I say, oh, you forgive him the money for the furniture them. I say, oh, you forgive him the money for the furniture them when I me have the receipt. Just say because a theme named upon the receipt, I so make sure could I give him back the money. When I call Shannon on the phone, when my blood clot called Shannon on the phone, I say, Shannon, you know, say me at the furniture store right here, sir. And the woman say, Pebbles come back for the money. Shannon say, what? I say, yes, sister. Pebbles come back for the money. The woman, me the right side of the woman. I say, hold on, Shannon. I go, call Pebbles on the line, 3-way with me and Yana. So when I call Pebbles, she answer. I say, Pebbles, oh, you for me there at the furniture place, I take the eating table and then a piece of furniture where you pay down pan. And the woman say, come back for the money. She depend cause. So I say, Shannon depend the phone, she hang up. Shannon no lie me I tell. She hang up. When my blood she hang up, I call her back. I say maybe she don't want Shannon in her business. And she don't want Shannon know, so she go back for the money. I call her. When I call Pebbles one away, I say, Pebbles, oh, you for violate me like that? She depend cause member to the party that come up and me never want borrow the whole of the money from you, so much money from you. Me end up it go back for the money from them. I say, Pebbles, they shouldn't do that. I say, Pebbles, they should never do that. She depend, cause, I'm sorry man, Lord man, about a cuss now. I say, Pebbles, man, I like that because you violate my big time person. Ambition, I want you having and me, I beg you for buy furniture, put in your house, in Pebbles. Me not do Pebbles now, wicked blood clot, me say now, me attack, me I bring down blood clot Pebbles, you know, and talk some things, you know. Somebody has shown all my blood clot good, put the germs there, you know. Alright. Anyway now, I call her and she said to me, say, alright, cause, I say, alright, Pebbles, me I go finish by the furniture them. When she, I say, me go finish by the furniture them, she said, how much money I go spend? I said, receipt come with everything. Pebbles set in our house for $3,800 blood clot dollar. And because the furniture people them know me, I'm spending much thousands of dollars with them. Them give me the furniture, the settee for $3,400. I'm still ball off $50. So I'm pay $3,350 for your blood clot set in our house. When my blood clot was bam now, granted, but I shall ask the money that me I ignore her. I shall ask the money that me I ignore her. Me I ignore her because I say, Shannon, me no give Pebbles the money. Me and Pebbles will put it down for the media anywhere she want go. Me go put it down with her because Pebbles are cruff. Alright. Shannon say, well, me no business with your family. The way you want to. Every minute you text my cause, all my light bill due, and I want to pay it before it cut off. Mr. Shannon, watch ya. Me not answer it. I give 2 different light bill money I ain't pay it. Mr. Shannon, I not answer it. Alright. I finish buy up all of the furniture them. I left back with about $400. I say bad to bad. I'm a family. As much as me I try let her in. Shannon know to herself, Shannon and Poochie know to themselves that I never let in Pebbles in my circle. So when I hear Pebbles talk about her life or me saying things in her, I just me know says a fame she come in. Bitch, me I go down any road with you have to go for the NYPD there. Shannon depend Alliyah your cousin. I say Shannon, I cannot let in Pebbles, I cannot feel Pebbles. I love Bam Bam, and I love Jake, and I love Tash, but I can't feel Pebbles. I can't feel Wrenchman. Wrenchman have something about him. I can't blood clot feel him. And Shannon said, well, if I hear family and you can say some love. Gossip bank granted now. I said, Shannon cussed me the day. And I said, girl, bad somebody, your cousin man, you can't buy the TV for you. I said, alright, granted, me have $300, I must say $80 for you. I gotta put the rest and buy the TV for you. I tell her, I say, alright girl, I go buy you one 75-inch TV. I go put the rest and buy you. I go back to Shannon. I say, Shannon, you know, so I tell you the truth, sister, I cannot feel Pebbles. Pebbles have no loyalty. And I can't, I just know so Pebbles are going to stab me in my back. But I just wait for the day. Shannon depend, girl. I go as far as Emily get her apartment, her room. Shannon get Emily one room, and Emily live in the room, and Shannon take the TV out of the apartment because she never moved the TV there, but she go give somebody the TV. I'm go as far as I go lend Emily 15 bills to go buy the TV, and Shannon stand up on her foot, I'm like, come on, and say you killing blood clot Emily 15 bills and buy the TV for Pebbles. Shannon no lie me a tell. When at the carnival, I see them email me now. Shannon no lie me I tell Shannon stand up on her foot and you calling Pebbles Emily $1,500 for buying a TV and buy for Pebbles. Pebbles are your family. I say Shannon Pebbles is the only family I can't feel. Something about blood clot Pebbles. Something about Pebbles. Something about Pebbles. Something about Pebbles. Alright, granted. I got to go on bad today now. Granted. I never get for buy the TV. In at the time, at the space at the time, there, she'd end up giving about 6 pills. She'd end up bingo. She bingo. Alright, at that time, I may start live back now, you know. Tomorrow, girl. I see them email me. Yeah, I can't go outside tomorrow. I can't go outside. I still call you, I come out for the live at Pash, come here and go, I can't go here. Anyway, granted now. She never get for buy the TV. She call me and say, cause where you there? I say, you know, so me and Pum there right pan Creston. She said, no, she never call me. Me I walk home, look, I see Pebbles I walk with one big, something carpet and them something. So I said, Pebbles, where you come from? She went them, so me look. She dey pan, cause come here going to one furniture store down there, so I say she buy picture frame and so. So me dey pan, I say, girl, me like them look a drink pan something here when me see her buy. About 6 blood clot DNA test. All I know me I go down the road because wrenchman been a germs brother. I'm reach out to him mother more than one time. Tash not text my phone a blood clot. Not text my phone. Unless you're gonna text me from my 280,000 where you have left for me. Do not text my phone. Alright. Unless you're going to text me about my 280,000 Jamaican where you get my blood clot partner from Kelly Upsetter and you never blood clot, put my money in my bank account. You go around me, I use up my blood clot money, I never make it be a problem. Granted, no problem. Me I talk about your dirty, nasty germs box blood clot, brother. Where text said come in a blood clot, America. I'm in a blood clot city germs. I so come down by your blood clot, wait me in there. Me so come down by you. Me so come down cause Wrenchman class how my blood clot niece. We never blood clot trouble her. My niece never disrespect Wrenchman yet a Wrenchman class how my blood clot niece. And me holy clot her blood clot G. And she push me now. Me go rub out and me go talk my love. Cause Wrenchman touch your father fuck Wrenchman from him a pitney. Yes. Your father fuck Pebbles, Wrenchman from him is a pitney. Yeah. That's why in short I love na blood clot can disturb, can take him mother baby father, him mother baby father. Yeah, your father fuck Wrenchman for him at 9 out of carry out of Arbor View, go look on blood clot what is sitting there name? Rabbit. Cause instead the father used to have a woolly pop, your father used to have a woolly pop blood clot rabbits. Yeah, him say your father used to have a whole heap of rabbit and he used to come riding pan bicycle and can go to Arbor View, go push cocky in his mouth and fuck him in his bottom. And you know why me know say it's true? Up on you him a big blood clot man. No, Wrenchman a big man last year. Him stepfather video call him to show you how it a ride him. I gonna it said him down New Kingston go live all in the blood clot gully. For no same stepfather molest him from him a blood clot child. Yeah, and him talk it. Say, when him catch himself or when him start him doing breast and your father, past your father, which is Wrenchman's stepfather, him catch himself and show the man in breast and the man a jerk off in a bathroom. And when him she look into herself and say, she get to herself and say, blood clot, what me really I do? And that's so she say everything come back to her. I'm a call bam the man in. Ask your mother, bunny rabbit, yeah. I call bam the man in. And I say, Bam, Wrenchman the call you and tell us something. She say I want. I say Bam it bad you know. But me him say me give him time for tell you. So there around 4 more, me leave him for tell you. No, your text said Pam from April you had pressure me Wrenchman. So the media gonna know so Bam gonna hear now. So she gonna know say admit it, reach out to her and tell her blood clot. Granted, yeah, me reach out to her and tell her say I have something bad to take your father fuck Wrenchman from him a 9. Yeah. Your father fuck Wrenchman from him a blood clot 9. And I put him dick in and mouth, my love, and turn out to the place. Out of Arbor View, Vineyard Town, and one of them places there where I've only a blood clot rabbit. Down to other reach out to me and said to me, Dina, you know, say, Bamba my spear, Wrenchman make all the time. Me notice Wrenchman always a come pan life, come disrespect you. And a class, when you not answer Wrenchman keep on coming and come pan life, come class. And I say, you know, say, Bamba, my cup full now. My cup full no Wrenchman have no weapon over me. Wrenchman don't know nothing about me. My father never fucked me yet. No stepfather never finger my body and put my body in my mouth and take the blood clot age. Yeah. No stepfather no fuck me and put my body in my mouth at a tender age. Me no want Wrenchman take no set come in America blood clot because all me do are good for the germs. Yeah. And my sister she's a non-blood clot ambition, non-progressive, dirty batty man, and I have to leave him. Tash, me not have no story for walk and tell. Tash, me not come with no story. Your father fucked a Wrenchman. Shannon did have my blood clot witness, and me and Shannon Wrenchman said to your father fuck Wrenchman. Tash you can't tell me to come suck you, cause you fuck out na blood clot. Tash you fuck like dog na blood clot till dream of a right father. You fuck like that because I don't nearly flex brother breed you. Remember you do the DNA for blood clot that nearly flex blood clot brother we black we dead. I don't inbreed you. I don't demand on a blood clot town breed you. I don't academic when you breed you. You do about 15 years in a blood clot COVID 2020. Dream and know a blood clot father. So same as how you dirty batty man brother come on class, me look on this somebody have a blood clot violate. None of you yet never violate up on a blood clot. Yeah, just like that. Your father fuck Wrenchman for my pity ask Baba never call her. Shannon no say me not tell no lie, me a Shannon. Me and Shannon just say to run a Shannon house. Say I stepfather molested from share blood clot picnic and turtle out of Harborview Vineyard town or one of them town the out like that out of airport way. Out the blood clot way they him have some rabbit out there and him always bring her go play with the bunny rabbit them and push the good name out and fuck out and I what my passage in our body long blood clot time. Me not tell no blood clot lie. What kind of story me make up? Fuck out nasty blood clot. Dirty touch over my 280. Me 80,000 up until blood clot now. Itash, what kind of blood clot story me come with? How much time my blood clot call you? How much time my blood clot text and tell you to talk to your germs brother and tell your blood clot brother to leave me alone and stop texting for me in America? How much time I call Nadia? My beg blood clot Nadia for talk to him and him still not here. So I'm not think me gonna come at him nasty blood clot. It told me always a talk I'm gonna answer. Wrenchman don't know nothing about me a blood clots. Nothing stinky dinky Wrenchman don't know nothing about me. Right permanent access there now earbox the blood clot them. What she never boss it, them never right and never boss. Me don't know where the infection them come from. Daddy not touch me a blood clot there. Yeah. Ya come talk about story kind of blood clot story. Call your brother ask him. And a lie me a tell. Call your blood clot brother ask man. Touch me mama know say dream no know a blood clot father. Remember me know say dream no know right father. Remember me know the things them. Don't get it technical with me and you dirty blood clot touch. Cause you owe me my 280,000 up until now. I you not pay me cause you get my blood clot partner from Kelly Upsetter from 2020 blood clot COVID in a me.